Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
What's up, dog? Act like you don't know. I waved at y'all like 5 times. Staring at grass, but hey, very true. Mine sounds so much harder now. Sam said mine sounds louder. I'm talking about straight off the FedEx truck into the truck. What do you think?
Yeah, I do YouTube videos. You share mine. I'm ready, man. Oh yeah? Appreciate it. You ready? I like to hear it. Yeah, man. I like the box. Did you build it?
Yeah, just
Okay.
threw it together.
Nice. All right.
I don't know if that's something. No, it's empty. Yeah, I ran out of time or I'd have this all looking pretty.
It's all right, man. Sometimes pretty's not loud.
True,
As long as it's playing, that's what matters, I guess. For some people, it just depends on who you are.
Yeah. This song just kind of starts out banging.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay, here we go.
Used to be. It ain't like it used to be. On my turf from the man, I just put in your car. Used to be. It ain't like it used to be. OSMG ain't not a man, but it ain't like it used to be. It ain't like it used to be. Third of the Mac, man, I work for the bag. On my turf from the man, I just put in your car. SMG ain't not a man, but it ain't like it used to be.
Yeah, no problem.
So what was your name and a full walk around now for the intro?
Nick Berkey.
Okay.
I got PRV mids, Rockford highs, and SoundQubed HDX 18 on a cab 1600.
Okay. And it's just a demo. It's not you competed yet.
I mean, this is one of my first meets, so
It is? Okay.
I might meet her.
All right. Yeah. Awesome, man. Well, nice to meet you, man. Thanks for watching my videos, and appreciate the demo, man.
Thanks.
Awesome. I like your doors.
Thanks,
PRV.
bro.
Did you do this?
Yeah, I did everything.
Awesome. Make it work. I like it. Appreciate it, man.
On my turf from the man, I just put in your car. Like it used to be.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.